are getting better. It's getting back to normal. I don't know if it'll ever
He's just
be
staring
normal,
me down.
but it's absolutely getting better. Our experience.
The guys are getting darker.
As time goes on, hopefully this will heal itself.
My parents, being younger parents, are a lot of fun. I think as a family we're definitely adventurers. We like to get out and see what there is to see.
We bought a boat. We all go to the river together. That's our new place to go, I guess. We just had our 25th anniversary. We took our kids to Hawaii for their first time.
And we had a lot of fun. I don't think there's anything that's going to take the place of Mexico just because it's such a different world down there.
Even Tyler still talks about it happy times. Still talks about his favorite burrito shop.
There were so many times that were good that completely outweigh the bad.
And now we've lost Mexico and we won't go back. And